Hi there. Do you know what a FSBO is or a for sale by owner? Have you thought about doing one yourself? All right. Well, today I want to talk to you about the different steps on how to do a FSBO, okay, and what the pros and the cons are about a FSBO or for sale by owner. Okay, so I hope you have a few minutes. My name is Henry Artiga. I am a realtor with eXp Realty. I've been in the real estate industry for over 16 years. My license number is S0173900. I've listed hundreds of houses and I have sold and I help a lot of families, okay, throughout my career. But this has always come up, right? And I've met a few people that have tried FISBOs because, of course, the number one reason why people try them is to save on commissions, right? That's the number one reason. Okay, property owners, they want to keep the most in their pockets, right? They want to gain the most profits, and they believe that by doing a FISBO, this will be achieved. Well, today I want to talk to you about the differences so you can make your own judgment, so you can decide once you have all the information available what's best for you. Okay, so let's start with number one, right? When you do a FSBO, okay, many homeowners, when they do a for sale by owner, they'll clean their property, they'll, do a little touch up painting, uh, you know, clean the front yard, get the front yard done, clean the pool, right? They make you look nice, right? And that's great, and you should do that. But an agent will also tell you the different things that inspectors look for. Okay, there are certain things that certain loans require uh, on different properties, and these are the things that an agent can tell you ahead of time, so that when the home inspector, you know, comes and does the inspection, there's no issues. There's nothing slowed down. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, number two, um, an agent an agent will expose your house to throughout the United States and sometimes the, throughout the world. Okay, why? Because when you list a property with an agent, that property goes into the MLS. The MLS, they also provide you information to hundreds and websites out there. And as you know, and I know, everybody's now on the website. Okay, so the difference, if you want to do a for sale by owner, you can place a sign on your front yard, and you could probably list it in certain systems, Craigslist and local systems. But that's it. The exposure is very limited. So that's a huge difference when you can work with an agent who's going to place your house on the MLS, and your listing or your house is going to be exposed to the world, basically. Okay, number three, an agent also has the latest innovation and the latest tools to reach buyers everywhere. Let me give you an example. eXp Realty, we're in 24 countries, we're in all 50 states of the United States. Our reach is second to none. So when you work with an agent like myself, your house is going to be showcased in the best way possible, and it's going to attract the best buyer for your property. So that's a huge difference as well. Okay. Number four, there are legal ramifications that you could expose yourself when you do a FISBO. Okay. This is very important. Okay. Why? Because contracts, the law, form documents, everything is constantly changing. And if you're not up to date with the laws and the documents and some of the disclosures, some of the forms that are needed, you could open yourself to some really bad legal issues. And this could cost you not only a lot of stress and headaches, but money. And isn't that what you want to save? Exactly. So again, a FSBO, you know, if you're not up to date with the contracts, with the laws and the documentations and the disclosures, this could cost you a lot more money than you want to spend. Okay. Number five, and this is very important. I want you guys to think about this. When you list your property, when you place your property for sale, you're going to place a sign in the front yard. You're going to list it in local systems or apps or websites. But how do you know who's coming to see your house? Who is actually coming to see your house? Are they really coming to see your house, to buy the property? Or are they just coming with other intentions? Nothing is more valuable than your life, your safety, your family's safety. So keep that in mind, please. All right. The bottom line is FSBO is not worth trying it. It really isn't. Most of the time, you will find out that the difference in profit actually is not much of a difference, and there's a high percentage that you will actually profit the most when you work with an agent. Why? Because we know the changes that are happening in the market. We know the values, different communities, different zip codes, different houses. We understand what's going on in the market. We understand how the market is fluctuating. We also know the demand, the buyer's demand, what they're looking for, and we can look at your house and provide you a current market value of your property, based on the comps, and not only based on the comps, based on the property that have sold, and what we see, the condition of your home, if you have done any upgrades, if you have any additions. Those are the things that an agent, a real estate professional, a listing expert can provide for you. I can provide for you a free current market report of your home and your community. You will see the comps, the properties that have sold, recently sold, and the ones that are listed. Not only that, but I will also give you a net sheet. This way you can see upfront what your profits would be if you were to list your house. That way, you can see what your profits are going to be before signing any contracts. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you're not sure about a, let's say, a typical listing, I can also provide for you a choice of a trial listing. That is huge. All right. So if you need more information, please contact me. Like I say, I'm here to help you. My goal is to save you as much money wherever I can so you can profit the most. And while you have an amazing experience, take care. This is Henry Artiga with eXp Realty, license number S0173900. You can contact me on all social medias. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm on WhatsApp. You can contact me, call me, text me directly. My phone number is 702-285-8168. 702-285-8168. I'd love to help you. All right. Save you money and put the most in your pockets. All right. So take care.